The Halo Bassinest Swivel Sleeper with a 360-degree swiveling base and a flat sleep area is the safest way to sleep close to your baby. Tending to your baby in bed is easy with a sidewall that lowers and side pockets that keep your baby's essentials within reach. The Bassinest features a soothing center with a nightlight, vibration, soothing sounds, lullabies, and a wake-up button to gently remind you to put your baby back in the Bassinest after feedings. Its swivel makes getting in and out of bed easier, especially for mothers recovering from a C-section. The Halo Bassinest's height easily adjusts to fit beds from 22 to 34 inches. The sturdy and wide base is designed to increase stability for siblings and pets, and its tuck-under design is ideal for small spaces. Halo Bassinest Swivel Sleepers come in 4 series. The Essentia series features the 360-degree swivel and sidewall that lowers. The Premier series, with added soothing center. The Luxe series includes a storage caddy for baby's essentials and floor light to help you see. And the Luxe Plus series, the full-featured model that comes with a 100% cotton fitted sheet and mattress pad. Ask a sales associate about all of our optional accessories. Safer for baby, easier for you. The Halo Bassinest Swivel Sleeper.